Hello everyone and welcome to PepperAmmy's chili and lime salt video. Now for this we only need 3 ingredients and they're all in the title. Chili, lime, and you guessed it, salt. The choice of chili is completely down to you. I'm personally using Naga peppers because I had a lot of them ripe when I was making this video. They're much hotter than standard peppers, so you may want to use something a bit more mild. For the amount of lime juice I had, I used around 500 grams of crystallized sea salt. The first thing we want to do is juice the limes and optionally zest them. If you roll the limes between your hand and the work surface before juicing, it makes them a lot easier to get the juice out. Now we add the lime juice to the blender or food processor until the peppers are in small chunks. Once everything is blended together, we need to add the chili and lime juice to the salt and spread it on a oven tray or a dehydrator tray and let it dry for a few hours. Optionally, you can dry it in a low temperature oven. When the salt is dry, it may be in a solid lump, but you can easily break it up into crystals again. Now once you have done so, you want to keep it in a sealed container or a salt mill. The heat of my peppers has mellowed out quite a bit, but the salt still packs quite a punch and is great on roast chicken or for salting pasta water to give the pasta a slightly spicy kick. Fucking moth flying around the room. Go away. I'll set the shelf spider on you. Yeah, that's what I thought. Everyone fears the shelf spider. I can't get the shelf spider because it hides under the shelf. Like behind the shelf, between the shelf and the wall. Sometimes it pops out and runs up the wall. Damn you, shelf spider. Anyway, where were we? Yes. Video making. What did I just say? I said some stuff. Well. There we are. Yes. When the salt is dry, it may be in a solid lump. You can easily break it up into crystals again. Yes. The heat of the peppers has mellowed quite a bit. Yeah. The heat of my peppers has mellowed quite a bit during the heat of my peppers has fuck's sake, Arthur's has just farted as well. Fuck's sake, buddy. Like, I made it through the whole video and just like the last 2 sentences I've just completely fucked it. The heat of my peppers have mellowed quite a bit during the process, but the salt still packs quite a punch. This is great on roast chicken or for seasoning salt. This is great on seasoning. Why is this last line so hard?